Okay, that's okay. So anyone who knows what perimeter or area is, do you want to give us a definition, maybe for one of them? Ruben, go ahead. Nope, just let's hear it out.
So say you have like a rectangle that's 2 inches wide, 2 inches wide on the top and the bottom, and 2 inches long on the side to side.
Okay, so let me draw that for you, Ruben. So you're saying it is what?
Oh yeah, because it's 1 inch. So like
So say this is what?
rectangle.
Okay.
The top and the bottom sides are 2 inches each.
Say these are both 2. How do you know they're the same?
Because it's a rectangle.
Okay, so that's an interesting point though. So the opposite sides in a rectangle you're saying are always the same?
Sort of.
Sort of. Okay, what if we're dealing with a regular rectangle?
Yes.
And yes, so the sides in a rectangle or a square are always going to be the same as the opposite side. Do you want to add on to that? These 2 sides will be the same too, right? So why don't we call these 1 for now, just because it looks like half of these, which are 2.
Wait, what if it's like 0.9?
Yeah.
Because it's a little bit less.
0.9.
So, perimeter and area. So Ruben, go ahead, keep explaining.
So the perimeter is it's like 2. So it's like 2 inches, 2 inches, 1 inch, 1 inch. So that would be 2 plus 2 is 4.
Yeah.
2 plus 4 is 6. The
Okay.
perimeter of that triangle is 6.
It's not a triangle.
Okay, so you're saying the perimeter of this rectangle is 6 inches. Say these are inches.
Those aren't inches.
Yeah, it's just hypothetical, right? Matthias, what do you want to add?
So area, can I do area?
Hold on 1 second. Let's finish the perimeter. So Ruben is saying that the perimeter of this rectangle is 6 inches because when you're looking for perimeter, you add 1, 2, 3, 4, all the sides together. Right? So 2 plus 2 is 4. Good. So perimeter is just going to be the sum of all the sides. Okay? So you know what sum means? The sum is length, and you add them all together, and your sum. So Matthias, why don't you explain area to us?
So area is the space inside a shape. So so the area for this would be, say these are inches, 2 square inches, because you multiply the side by the top by the sides, 2 square inches. So you multiply the top by the sides or the other way around because why do you do that? Because here's 1 square inch, that's a square inch, then here's the square, and then that's a 2, so there's another square. You need to multiply it by 2, so there's another square inch here, so the area is 2.
Right. So the difference between area and perimeter, like Matthias said, the perimeter you're just looking for the outside. You're just measuring the outside. But when you do area, yep, it's the space inside. So you're multiplying one side by the other. Now, would it make sense to multiply this 2 inches, this side, by these 2 inches on this side? Why not? Go ahead, Owen. Because then you get 4 square inches.
They don't be square.
Right. So Ruben just said area
It's always length
equals length times width.
It equals L times W.
So you're always going to be multiplying one side by the opposite side.
That sounds too hard, but probably.
Think so? Okay, that's right. We're going to try another one, Jasper. So let's look at a different let's look at a different rectangle. No, we're only going to stick with rectangles and squares today.
Triangles are a lot harder.
Yeah, there's so much.
Okay, here's our rectangle. Let's say it's 6 by 5 inches. Who wants to solve for the perimeter of this and talk us through what they're doing? Sam. Yep.
The perimeter always has to be
Always?
larger than the area. Yeah. Always. Because
If it's not, then you just move.
Well,
Yeah.
okay, so hey,
Yes.
go ahead, Sam. Talk us through what you're doing.
there is 5 inches on that side, plus 15 on one side. On that side. That's next. There are 6 inches up here to down here. Okay. Now we add together. We know 6 plus 6 is 12. And 5 plus 5 is 10. Which equals a grand total of 22
22 what, Sam?
inches.
22 inches. Good.
Equals P. Do 20.
Hold on.
Wait, do 22
Thanks, Sam.
inches equals P.
Or P.
Oh, do you want to count? Okay, that's
You should know.
Okay, so does everybody see how Sam did that? He had these two sides, he found the opposite sides, and then he added them together, right? Who wants to solve for area? Ruben, talk us through it.
Okay. So, since we have 6 times 5, and 5 is 1 away from 6,
What?
we can solve this with an easy square root. The square root of
Okay. Go ahead, Ruben.
So-
Keep thinking.
6 times 6 is 36. But since 5 is 1 away from 6, it would be 30. The area is 30 squared.
Okay, hold on. Now talk us through how you did that again. So,
Okay.
if this is the area, where's your length?
My length is, well, it's 6 times 5. But for easier purposes, since I know a lot of square roots, I did 6 times 6 minus 6, which would be 6 times 5.
Okay, so you did a different strategy.
Yes.
Okay, so here. So Ruben's saying he knows that the 6 squared is 36,
Which is 6 times 6.
which is 6 times 6.
Equal to 6.
And then you notice that this was 1 less than 6, so he took away 6.
Yes.
Does anybody have a different way that they would go about this problem? Oh yeah, you just rinse them out.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll figure out
Matthias,
this.
why don't you give us a different strategy that you can use?
So you should just have double, yeah, double units. So I would just do that. So make this 3 inches. And make this 10 inches. And then 10 times 3 is 30.
Okay, yeah, I like that a lot. Remember how we did doubling and halving? So Matthias just doubled this 5 inches, halved the 6 inches. What's 3 times 10?
That's 30. That's so easy.
That's a lot easier than 6 times 5, right? Matthias, I like that a lot. So, why don't we give these? But remember what we do with the, so one number, here we go. Yeah, one number we draw the dots, right? And then the other number is how many groups there are, right? So when you see 6 times 1, you can even think of it as 6 groups of 1, right? Or 1 group of 6. Hold on. So let's do it. 1 group of 6. How many is 1 group of 6?
1 group of 6?
Yeah. So you have these 6 right here that you just made, right?
Yeah.
1 group of it. So you can circle this. 1 group of 6. How many are there?
6.
Yeah.
1, 6 times 1 is 6.
Yeah.
And this is because 2.
Now, hold on. Now let's try this one. So what do you have to do? 2 times 5, so you can do 2 groups of...
5.
Yeah, so go ahead. Make 2 groups of 5.
2 groups. I make the 2 groups.
So 2 groups of 5, right?
Yeah,
So that's 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 5.
Good.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. We need 2 more. 7.
Hold on. No. So, let me see that. Let's remember. When you read this, 2 times 5, you can think 2 groups of 5. Let me show you how to make 2 groups of 5. So we need 2 groups, right?
Yeah.
So what we're going to draw first, before anything else, is 2 circles for the 2 groups, right?
Yeah.
Here's your 2 groups, okay? How many go in each group?
Where? This one?
Yeah, 2 groups of 5. How many go in each group?
5.
Good, 5.
I can't physically do
Go
this
ahead,
well.
make 5.
Like, given the rectangles area, find the onion side. This is a square.
Yeah, but squares are also rectangles.
That times 2.
So hold on. So how many do you have to? So how many do you have to put in each group?
5.
5, right? So go ahead,
Yeah.
put 5 in each group. So there's 5 in that group. Good. So now go to the second group.
It's 10.
How'd you know?
I know.
How'd you know that?
How do you know that?
Yeah.
Because I told you. It's like a plus.
Let's count the dots. How many dots are there?
How many dots?
Yep.
Where?
In those 2 groups.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
10. Good. So is that 5 or 10?
10.
Good. 10. Let's do one more. So what do you?
6.
No, hold on. Don't jump ahead.
3.
No, don't. Now you're guessing. 3 times 3. So you need to do what? There you go. 3 circles. How many go in each circle? Good.
9.
9. Nice.
Now I got this.
You got this now?
And
Want me to come?
I need-
Yeah, you can use that to make the circles.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you do this one for me, real quick? 2 times 3. How would you do it?
It's 6.
It's 6. Because you have 2 groups of 3. Show me what you found.
Show me what you found.
What'd you find on this one?
This one?
Yep. So number 6. What happened?
Where's the number 6?
Number 6, right here. 4 times 1.
4 times 1 is I didn't know this. It was 4, and I think this is one all of them. So I made them 9 or 9. If one group's there, then it's 9.
So if it's a number times 1, what's the answer?
What's the answer?
Yeah.
9.
9. So if it's 4 times 1, what's the answer?
4 times is 4.
What's 7 times 1 then?
7.
So what if I said what's 20 times 1?
20.
It'd be
20.
It'd be 20, right? What if I said what's 1,000 times 1?
1,000.
It's always just be the number, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. And you figured that out by yourself?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job. Do you want another sheet to work on?